I'm Susan. I'm going to show you a way of doctoring up canned green beans. Now these can be your home can or your store-bought can. And it's only this, some bacon, and salt and pepper to taste. Of course, if you like other seasonings in your green beans, you're welcome to add those. And today I had just a little bit of chopped onion that I had chopped the other day, and I think I'm going to add that in there as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm doing 2 cans of green beans. So I'm taking 6 slices of bacon. If you don't want to use this much, you don't have to, but we really like a lot of bacon in our green beans. And I'm just taking some kitchen shears and I'm just chopping them up into a pan, and I'm going to cook that bacon down till it's crispy. And I'm going to throw in my onion in with it. Now my bacon is nice and brown, and I'm going to add in my 2 cans of green beans. Now I'm adding in the juice and everything. And the friend that told me about this recipe, she drained hers and added water. But my mother-in-law said that there's a lot of flavor in with the green beans, so I went with what my mother-in-law said, and we really like it. Now you just want to stir everything in, and you want to add your little bit of salt and pepper. You don't want to go too heavy on the salt because the bacon's salty. But you got all that nice bacon grease in the bottom. And if you feel like it's too much bacon grease for you, you can drain off some of it. And I'm just going to add my salt and pepper, and I'm just going to cook this down till there's almost no juice whatsoever. And you also want to make sure that you rub the bottom of your pan where you've cooked that bacon, because those nice tasty bits will be stuck to the bottom, and that's a lot of flavor as well. Make sure to stir your green beans ever so often. And you want your heat to be cut down, probably about medium. Now you see that most of the juice has cooked down, and you're left with the beans, and you want the beans to be kind of soft and limp almost. I mean, that's how we Southerners do it. That's good. Really good. That is really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a message. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.